Hi, my name is Siti Nurain binti Ibrahim, and today I would like to present about my Pokemon Go journal. The title of my journal is The Diversity and Abundance of Pokemon in University Malaysia Kelantan. There are two different areas that I choose. First one is from Faculty of Earth Science to Taman Pinggiran UMK, and the other one from Faculty of Earth Science to Guardhouse. A sampling effort was conducted in two different areas, which is from Faculty of Earth Science FSB to Taman Pinggiran as my Site A, and from Faculty of Earth Science to Guardhouse as my Site B, with 1 km in a day at each areas using an application called Pokemongo. The aim of this study is to determine the diversity and the abundance of Pokemon in two different areas by calculating the Shannon Index as well as Simpson Index. The result indicated that Site A, which is from FSB to Taman Pinggiran UMK, is 139, and the total of Site B is 137. Thus, the diversity and abundance of Pokemon at Site A is higher than Site B. Biodiversity is a scientific study used to determine the diversity of organisms in an area. It is generally used to determine the compositions and abundance of organisms via various trapping methods. In all biodiversity assessment, sampling adequacy is integral to determine required sampling effort. This is important for any diversity and abundance comparison between sites. My study area is in University Malaysia Kelantan, Jeli campus. I choose Taman Pinggiran and Guardhouse as my two different areas, and the main area is from Faculty of Earth Science. But there are two different ways to go to Taman Pinggiran and Guardhouse. So the diversity and abundance of my Pokemon is different. For the methodology, we need to install an application called Pokemongo, and this application link with GPS location, and it needs an internet connection to open the application before we start the activity or to play the game. Once we already install the application, the user can create their own avatar to represent themselves. And after we open the camera and walk around, the Pokemons will appear on the maps, and we can catch it using Pokeballs. The Pokeballs can be collected for free by entering the Pokestop. Moreover, transect line is one of the important methods, which is to do the sampling effort. By having a transect line, the sampling effort can be done easily because of the clear destination to do the experiment. The sampling effort took 5 days to finish 5 km, which is we must do 1 km of walking to catch the Pokemon. Hence, we must have a clear transect line to do our experiment. Sampling effort was calculated based on the distance and day for each site. Then, the capture rate for each site was calculated based on the formula, which is total number of individual for each site divided by the sampling effort. For the data and for the analysis of diversity and abundance, the Shannon's Index and Simpson Index were used on the formula. and this is the formula. As you can see, this is the results of the diversity and abundance of Pokemons in University Malaysia Kelantan. And the total individuals in Site A is higher than Site B, which is 139 in Site A and 137 in Site B. These differences due to the low internet connections in Site B, and besides, the competitions among other students can be the reason of the differences, because the Pokemon will disappear when someone has caught it. Both Site A and B has the same total species, which is I caught 11 of them, and the sampling effort was taken in 5 days, and each day is 1 kilometer of walking. Based on the results, the Shannon and Simpson index in both sites are different, which is in Site A, the Simpson index was 0.901, and in Site B was 0.898, and the Shannon index in Site A was 2.2229, and in Site B was 2.2589.